Good morning, students. Today we will start new topic, that is finding the square of a number. Let us take one example. We have to find out the square of 23. Here 23 can be written as 20 plus 3. Therefore 23 square equal to 20 plus 3 whole square, and here 20 plus 3 whole square you can write twice, that is 20 plus 3 and 20 plus 3, that is this can be written as 20 plus 3 and 20 plus 3. Now open the bracket. Here 20 is multiplied by this whole bracket, that is 20, within the bracket 20 plus 3, and again 3 is multiplied by whole bracket, that is plus 3, 20 plus 3. Now open this bracket, that is 20 into 20, it is 20 square, then 20 into 3 plus 20 into 3 plus 3 into 20, 3 into 20 plus 3 into 3, that is 3 square. Here 20 square, it is 400, plus 20 into 3, 60, plus 3 into 20, it is 60, plus 3 square, it is 9. Add it, equal to 529. Therefore your answer is 529. Now come to next. The next topic is Pythagorean triplets. Here, for any natural number m greater than 1, we have 2m square plus m square minus 1 whole square equal to m square plus 1 whole square. This is Pythagoras theorem, that is a square plus b square equal to c square, where a is 2m, b is m square minus 1, and c is m square plus 1. So 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 forms a Pythagorean triplet. Now come to exercise 6.2. Question number 1. Find the square of the following numbers. Say first part. You have to find out square of these numbers, that is 32 square. The 32 can be written as 30 plus 2 whole square. We can write 30 plus 2 times, like this. Here open the bracket, that is 30, it is multiplied by second bracket plus 2, again it is multiplied by second bracket. Now open the brackets, 30 into 30, it is 900, plus 30 into 2, it is 60, plus 2 into 30, it is 60, plus 2 into 2, it is 4. Now add this, we will get your answer is 1024. Now come to the second part. 35 square, it can be written as 30 plus 5 whole square. This can be written as 30 plus 5. Now open the bracket, it is 30, it is multiplied by second bracket, that is 30 plus 5 plus 5. Again it is multiplied by second bracket. Now open this bracket. 30 into 30, it is 900, plus 30 into 5, it is 150, plus 5 into 30, it is 150, plus 5 into 5, 25. Add it, you will get 1125. This is your answer. Now come to the third part. It is 86 square. 86 can be written as 80 plus 6 whole square. Write it 2 times. 80 plus 6. Now open the bracket. It is multiplied by second bracket, that is 80 plus 6 plus 6. Again it is multiplied by second bracket, that is 80 plus 6. Now open the bracket. 80 into 80, 6400, plus 80 into 6, 480, plus 6 into 80, it is again 480, plus 6 into 6, 36. Add all, you will get 7386. Now come to fourth part. 93 square. 93 can be written as 90 plus 3 whole square. That is, write 2 times. 90 plus 3. 90 plus 3. Open the bracket. 90 is multiplied by second bracket, that is 90 plus 3 plus 3 is again multiplied by second bracket, that is 90 plus 3. Now open the bracket. 90 into 90, it is 8100, plus 90 into 3, 270, plus 3 into 90, it is again 270, plus 3 3 is 9. Now add it, you will get 8649. This is your answer. Now come to fifth part. 71 square. 71 can be written as 70 plus 1 whole square. Write 2 times. 70 plus 1. 70 plus 1. Now open the bracket. 70, it is multiplied by second bracket, that is 70 plus 1 plus 1. Again it is multiplied by second bracket, that is 70 plus 1. Now open the bracket. 70 into 70, it is 4900, plus 70 into 1, it is 70, plus 1 into 70, it is 70, plus 1. Now add it. It is 5041. This is your answer. Now come to the sixth part. It is 46 square. 46 can be written as 40 plus 6 whole square. Write it 2 times. 40 plus 6. 40 plus 6. Now open the bracket. It is 40. It is multiplied with second bracket. 40 plus 6 plus 6. It is again multiplied by second bracket. 40 plus 6. Now open the bracket. It is 40 plus 40. 40 into 40, it is 1600 plus 40 into 6, 240 plus 6 into 40, it is 240 plus 6 into 6, 36 equal to, add it, you will get 2116. This is your answer. Come to next question. Question number 2. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is, whose part it is 6. We know that two m square minus 1 m square plus 1 are Pythagorean triplets. Therefore, let 2m equal to 6, m equal to 6 upon 2, that is 3. The value of m is 3. Now find out m square minus 1. M is 3. 3 square minus 1. 3 square it is 9. Minus 1 it is 8. Next find out m square plus 1. M is 3. 3 square plus 1. 3 square it is 9. Plus 1 it is 10. So 6, 8 and 10 are Pythagorean triplets. Now come to the second part. 14. We know that 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1 are Pythagorean triplets. Here let 2m equal to 14. M is equal to 14 upon 2, that is 7. Therefore find out m square minus 1. Here m is 7. 7 square minus 1. 7 square is 49. Minus 1 it is 48. Next is m square plus 1. Here m is 7 square plus 1. 7 square is 49 plus 1, that is 50. Therefore 14, 48 and 50 are Pythagorean triplets. Now come to third part. It is 16. We know that 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1 are Pythagorean triplets. Let 2m equal to 16. M is equal to 16 upon 2, that is 8. Therefore m square minus 1 equal to, here m is 8. 8 square minus 1. 8 square is 64 minus 1, that is 63. Now find out m square plus 1. Here m is 8. 8 square plus 1. 8 square is 64 plus 1 equal to 65. So 16, 63 and 65 are Pythagorean triplets. Now come to fourth part. It is 18. We know that 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1 are Pythagorean triplets. Let 2m equal to 18. M is equal to 18 upon 2, that is 9. Find out m square minus 1. M is 9. 9 square minus 1. 9 square is 81 minus 1, that is 80. Now find out m square plus 1. M is 9. 9 square plus 1. 9 square is 81 plus 1, that is 82. So 18, 80 and 82 are Pythagorean triplets. That's all for today. Thank you.